Hey everybody, I'm back for another episode of Make It Monday. So I know this time of year we have flowers blooming, pollen is flying everywhere, and some of you have very stuffy noses. So let's talk about what you can make at your house right now so that you can kind of help open up the airways and support your response to the pollen. So it's basically 3 oils, and we like to call it the trio in the essential oil community. So it is going to be a roller made of 10 drops of peppermint, 10 drops of lemon, and 10 drops of lavender. So put those in a 10 milliliter roller, fill the rest with your favorite carrier oil, and then what you want to do is apply it topically 2 to 3 times a day to your chest. You could do a little bit to your sinuses, to the bottoms of your feet. What I also like to do is put these 3 oils in the diffuser together. I'll do 1 to 2 drops of each, and that really helps to kind of open up the airways and support my body as I combat pollen season. So I hope this has been helpful. Comment below if you have any feedback on what I should do next time. I'm always trying to come up with creative ideas for Make It Monday. Have a great day.